Hi friends, thanks for joining today's advanced Spanish lesson. Enter a plea. Enter a plea is declararse, but let's use it in a sentence so we can further understand this. Let's interpret the defendant entered a plea of not guilty. El acusado se declaró no culpable. Continuance. What is continuance? That is postponement of a court date. So let's hear it in a sentence. The defense requested a continuance to gather more evidence. Continuance es aplazamiento. And evidence, pruebas. I'm going to give you a second to see if you can figure it out. Did you say la defensa solicitó un aplazamiento para reunir más pruebas? And this is just an example of what you can say. There's multiple ways of saying the same thing, but you want to hit a few of the key ones. For example, continuance, aplazamiento, evidence, pruebas. And similar to continuance, an extension. An extension is more time to meet a deadline. And let's use it in an example. The attorney asked for an extension to file the motion. An extension, I have heard extensión, but to make it more legalese or fancy, prórroga. El abogado pidió una prórroga para presentar la moción. Possession of a dangerous weapon. Posesión de una arma peligrosa. To enter a judgment, it's going to depend. Dictar sentencia, you're going to hear sentencia and think of criminal court. And dictar un fallo, most often heard in civil court. So sentencia, like a sentence, criminal court, a judgment at the end of a civil case, un fallo. A fair and just trial. You might remember that trial es un juicio, so a fair and just trial es un juicio imparcial y justo. A perpetrator. A perpetrator is someone who actually commits the crime, and that is el autor material. And that's in opposition to the autor intelectual, material versus intelectual, which is the mastermind. A public defender, that is a court-appointed attorney, and that is a defensor público. A process server, that is a fancy way of just someone who delivers legal documents. A process server, un agente judicial. All right, thank you so much for following along. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.